Okay, guys, a tornado. It looks like a tornado is about to come, but the wind right now is really fast, making everything shake. Little particles were hitting the window. Right now, we're just hoping a tornado doesn't touch down or come. Just looking at the windows, everything. Be very careful. And it looks like the tree just fell. No, never mind. So we have to move everything that's pretty heavy so it doesn't tip over. And look, the wind is pretty strong right now. Really strong. The little doggy door, it's moving by itself with the wind. Right now it's moving by itself. Look, that ball is moving by itself because of the wind. You can see more little particles moving around. Well, we don't really have a basement. See that? So moving. That cord right there. That one that I'm pointing at. That cord. That one that I'm pointing at. It's all twisting and moving a whole lot, which kind of creeps me out because it looks like it might fall on my window, but I don't, that's a 20%, but I think that's a 20% chance that that's going to happen. My sister's playing piano right now. Let's just hope that, look, the little trees that we got are bending down, so we're just hoping that a tornado doesn't form. And so weird with all the wind, and then you can hear the piano, the keyboard. Do you have any regret that there'll be a tornado? She loves him. Look, she has a whole door of him. Look at this. She has everything. She loves him. Biggest fan. Now, let me get out of here. No. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and keep looking. I thought the tree was a funnel. Let's see if the wind is a little bit more calm. Now the wind is a little bit more aggressive again. Still pretty hard. I think there might be an EF1 tornado, but I don't know that.
There we go. So, after this.
Man, I think I just saw a big badass tornado. See, as you can see, the wind is starting to stop a little, but it's still bending some trees down. And yeah, it looks like it's gonna knock down that tree, but I doubt it. Okay. Okay. There's my little brother right there. He's feeling the dark. There. That's enough of that. Okay, let's just hope that the wind is now a little bit more calm, but still, you can see that the tree's moving over there. But no, right now it's just calm. Pretty cool. So that means that the EF1 will not form. We're hoping that it doesn't form. See, the trees are all fine now. Nothing's shaking anymore. See, it's still moving a little, but that's how trees are. That's my dad right there. He's on his phone.
Sorry, I wasn't listening.
There's my mom. She's watching TV. Okay. And my little brother's all mad, I think. I don't know why. Oh, God. I thought he was going to push. There's no tornado. No tornado's coming, okay? There will be no tornado. This is not a tornado alley, neither. But that was big wind. It looked like it was about to take down our house. That could have been a tornado. Look. moving by itself, I guess, and nothing's even turned on.
That's weird.
That's pretty